Okay, so what are we doing today?
We're heading up to Valley View, Cleveland, south of Cleveland, to Cars and Wings. They're expecting, as you can see, about 10 to 12 cars, some from the MF Autos garage. We're joined by Reichert and his beautiful Ford GTs behind you, the Foose build back there, absolutely beautiful. So it's going to be a good cruise. A lot of cops out today, so we're going to have to keep these things kind of dialed down a little bit, but it'll be fun nonetheless.
So Ced, what do you think of this lineup this morning? Cedric, will you talk about your divorce, Cedric?
What happened with what? Your divorce? Yeah, she took everything.
Cedric, are the rumors true? Well, we were all together. We were at IKEA getting ready to roll out. Everybody's getting in the cars. I wanted to take a picture with nobody in it, so I take a picture. I'm the last person to get in my car. Turn the key and it doesn't start. Maybe I left something on, whatever. I check all the switches, nothing's on. So I turn it off, wait a second, put the key back in, turn it, doesn't start. So what did we end up doing? We saw some people across the parking lot in the Topgolf parking lot that were just staring at us. There was a group of people just staring. So Ben's like, hey, we should go ask those people if they've got jumper cables. Bring them over. And we hook up the Carrera GT to the Bugatti Chiron. We jumped the Carrera. We jumped the Carrera GT with the Bugatti Chiron. And it started. And then Jordan gave the dude $100 to buy his jumper cables. Now we got jumper cables. Now we got jumper cables just in case it happens again. I'm hoping that it actually starts this time. I'm going to be the first one to try and start it. And hopefully we can get out of here without incident.
Getting French toast. Tokyo.
Bro, this place is absolutely packed. So what are we doing here, man?
Yeah, it's absolutely insane. There's cars parked clear in front of the building. Probably about 1,000 people. Brought out Frank's 720, the P1. Our friend Tony's P1. 570 over there, the Chiron. It was a great drive up. We had some car troubles with the Carrera GT on the way out. The battery died. A lot of great cars here, though. The turnout's amazing. It's starting to get a little hot. Head might get a little burnt.
Frankie.
What was that?
Ben's letting Mr. Detail outflex.
Hey, is this thing pretty cool?
Yeah.
That's sweet.
This yours? Yeah. You race anybody around here with it?
Oh, look at the good boy. We gotta get the puppy.
Yo, Japan, dumb, oh, we got toe. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I got that. I got that thing. I got that thing. Yeah, I got that thing. I'm not bragging, yeah, I'm not the type to boast. I'd be lying if I said it wasn't dope. Imitators, yeah, they all doing the most. I'm the original, nothing coming close. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I got that. I got that thing.
Avec sucre. J'en ai trop envie.
Yeah, those are really clean.
Yeah, it's an edition one, so they're cool. It's got the carbon roof, the wing, and special wheels.
We have a GTR Pro coming.
Oh, do you? How's the blue one? Is it done?
They said they're heading out soon.
Alright, hopefully.
Yeah.
Hey,
Oh, hello.
How are you doing today, Noah?
I'm fantastic. How are you, Brice?
Oh, I'm just peachy.
Peachy.
That's right.
says that.
Just
I'm
peachy.
red hot.
response every time is that he's peachy.
Can I touch your fuzzy mic?
I guess. Be gentle though.
I got that thing. I got that thing. Yeah.
Oh my God, that was a lot of fun, guys. Opened up the doors for everybody. A lot of people coming and sitting, lines forming. I did have one guy spill a Red Bull in the setup. He's probably gonna watch this and get a good laugh out of it. But this one lady had like a 9-year-old son. He was coming in, wanting to sit in a few cars. Couldn't be happier to let him. She was over the moon. He was ecstatic. His dream car was a Bugatti. Bring some of the excitement around Ohio and bring some of that to the Midwest, and hopefully encourage other guys that have these cars to come out and join us. I'd love to have other collections. Too many people just want to keep them in warehouses, so absolutely incredible the kind of showing and passion people have for these cars, and not just these, but all cars in general. Doing some fun stuff. I'm excited. We're gonna have a lot more content coming out. I may have gotten up to 170 earlier in the Bugatti, but man, it is, how this car is so easy to speed it can get you.
Yeah.
Spit it out.
Having a stroke. That's what set is for. So we came here to Kroger to go up to take the cars over to the car wash.
For the record, I don't approve.
Make sure you get that in there.
This is driveway details sanctioned. Ben says that he doesn't have time anymore, so he's bringing us here.
Schedule's just filling up.
He said he had somewhere to take us.
Yeah, so I figured it'd be easier this way.
He said he
way more efficient.
He said he had a lot of additional talent.
Yeah.
So he said it's in there.
Looks like they just closed up shop.
All robotics now.
More efficient.
Like
more
the
cost
kiosks,
effective.
like the kiosks at McDonald's.
Right. Yeah, they don't take lunch breaks.
Ooh,
actually,
helicopter.
So,
It's perfect.
yeah.
No benefits. You don't have to worry about paying them.
I'm filming the helicopter. I don't know what you're still talking for.
You know what's funny? Come here, son. I know. You know what's funny? You know what's funny?
Cedric's just
Is
bald.
that
I am bald.
he doesn't have the balls enough, so he just rocks a horseshoe like a 60-year-old guy. Just let it go, man. Just let it go.
Soon.
So tight, open up your eyes. This is our time, can't let it pass us by. Gotta let go, you gotta let go, you gotta let go. You freaking
No.
You can use anything you want.
Okay.
Except my wife.
That's the money shot.
There it is.
Right there.
Right there. There she is.
You guys been waiting all day for that shot.
All right, Brett. So we had a pretty good day.
Yeah, it was a long day. All in all, though, the Cars and Wings cruise was really successful. Nobody got pulled over, despite a lot of cops on the road. The Riker guys were amazing. We cruised up with them the whole way. I mean, it's hard not to have a good time when you have these cars in the garage. So, all in all, safe. Nobody got pulled over. Nobody's paying fines. Nobody's car got impounded. It was a good day.
That's always
so thanks
a good day.
thanks to all these guys for helping out with the commute and logistics of all the cars today.
Thanks, everyone.